Welcome to episode 3 and week 3, and we're kicking off week 3 with a tour of the house. But it's still pretty dusty around here, so I promise this is the last of the cleaning time lapses. Done. This is the downstairs section that I'm going to show you another time. I've cleaned upstairs really nicely for you just now, but downstairs is a bit of a disaster zone and needs a lot of work, so I'll show you that another week. But come on up. So this is our balcony and front door, but this is the reason we always hope our neighbors make a lot of noise if they're coming to visit, because the first thing you'll see if you're visiting is the bathroom, and hopefully not somebody caught with their pants down, quite literally. Come inside. This is the kitchen and my workstation where I work during the weekdays. It's got everything you need. I'm very comfortable here. Shout out to my nieces and nephews. Look how cute you were. That little boy on the left there is 21 now, and little Toby. Fun fact, my mum started coming here again about 22 years ago after not being here for a while, and her and Tim totally renovated the place and did a really amazing job. It stood up so well. Here's a picture of Tim working hard mixing concrete for the builder. And my mum was almost exactly the same age that I am now when she started coming back here, and here I am starting to come back a little bit more regularly too, hopefully, and it's interesting to see our lives in parallel. Anyway, back to the tour. This is, you could say, a spare bedroom, but it's missing a wall, so not ideal, and currently Sean's office with a pretty sweet view. And the master bedroom.
Where are we going?
To get the car. It's Saturday night. We've been cleaning the house all day and Sean's been working, and we decided to get the car now for 2 days. So we're walking. It looks very hot, but it's actually 6:30 in the evening.
And it's very hot.
I should have put sunscreen on, but I thought it's so late, but still plenty of sun time. Anyway, we're going to get the car. Yay! I'm going to attempt to share a history lesson. I'm learning all of this from my guidebook and from my mum, so I'll try and speak confidently to sound interesting, but I am very much a student of ancient history and of Greece. But we're at Paleokora, which is a castle-like old settlement built like an island that comes out on a ravine. There's deep gorges both sides behind where this settlement is, and I believe in its heyday it had 1,000 It's estimated that Paleokora was built in the 12th or 13th century, making it about 800 or 900 years old, and in its heyday it had around 1,000 inhabitants. During the 1500s, the pirate Barbarossa, who is quite well known for wreaking havoc in the region for many years, saw smoke coming up from the houses. The houses are built defensively, so they're less visible from the ocean, which is just over there. And they were built together so that if they were ever under siege, they could escape through one another's houses to safety. I guess they had secret routes away. But Barbarossa, the pirate, did come, and I'm not sure how he got here. Very difficult passage through the gorge, and laid siege to the city here and killed the 1,000 inhabitants, or took them as slaves, and some of them jumped off the cliffs and took fate in their own hands, preferring that to the fate of becoming Barbarossa's captive. After the siege, this place lay abandoned for many, many years, and they moved the capital to Hora, which is where it is today. Archaeologists believe that there were 70 churches right here on this quite small area settlement. We're walking around now and we're wondering where the people lived. Have those structures fallen down? Were the churches built more strongly? Because almost everything we walk into, not knowing what we're looking at, it could be a house, but it looks like a church. So archaeologists have only uncovered 21 churches, but if there were 70 churches and a population of 1,000 people, that would be about 14 people per church, which is, I guess maybe that's good.
Oh my word, enough of the history. Let's go for a swim.
Not all by me, by the amazing Mamika, Spanakopita, and her husband Yanni's cucumbers again. The never-ending cucumbers. We are walking to church. It's Monday morning at about 7:30, 8 o'clock. This is the local church in our village, and it's not open very often. But yeah, I don't know what the special day is today. I was told, but I forget. And it's open today. So we are gonna go and join them. Walking back from church. Look who it is! She's escaped again. It's funny the things that force you to learn the language. It's really only sometimes out of necessity. This is Bella, who you saw in episode 1. She's appeared in every episode so far. She's, I would say, adopted us. She seems to find us. She must live in the village somewhere. And we have met her owner on the second time we met her. She joined us on the same place. We were walking on episode 1 and appeared at the same place and was very excited to see us. But about 10 minutes into our drive, her owner had seen us walking down the mountain with his dog and came to get her, which is good. And she's not skinny, so she's well fed, but she likes us very much. Anyway, she was very disobedient and I wanted her to sit here. Well, she still doesn't do that, but wasn't listening to us. And then we thought, let's look up the Greek commands for sit and come and stay and good girl. And yeah, getting very good results out of that. But she likes Sean the best.
Are you going to sit? Kythera, Kythera. There you go.
Kythera? Bella? Kythera? She doesn't listen to me, she only listens to Sean. Kythera? Bella? Kythera? Kalokorice! Kalokorice! Good girl! Kalokorice!
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, you grow hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
We went for a ride to Melopotamus. We didn't get it because the dog kept chasing us. Anyway, lots of spiders, lots of scratches. Probably about 3 or 4 k's later, back home with the dog. It won't stay.
So Bella isn't with us all the time. She kind of just roams around. But when we went for our ride this morning, she greeted us within the first couple of meters. And there wasn't much we could do about it. We've learned the Greek word for stay, which is diamoni, which is much more interested in coming with us, so that's not working. This is why cycling in Greece is so treacherous. These are spanned right across the road all over the place. This is an old track we found from our village. This one actually goes down to a dead-end road. There's some beehives down here. But this is the way we go on our morning ride. And it's about 1 kilometer of road like this. And this spider, I've never seen one with such a good feast in it. Can you see the all the little flies he's caught? I'll try and... Oh, don't run towards me. Can you see it better when I'm behind it?
Yeah.
I mean, that's a big spider you don't want just landing up on you as you ride through it. And you have to keep your eyes on the ground because there's these thorn bushes everywhere. Plus these guys. Ep3, happy birthday to you. Hip hip, hooray! Hip hip, hooray!
Θα το πούμε to greet now.
Yes?
Να ζήσεις Εφροσύνη και χρόνια πολλά, μεγάλη να γίνεις, άσπρα μαλλιά, παντού να σκορπίζεις, τις νιώσεις στο φως,